Hello YouTube, here as you can see we have a box called LITEBOX, which is the most important thing for a YouTuber. LITEBOX is the lighting equipment for video making and photography production. So this is the bag of the LITEBOX. As you can see, they have their logo in here, and this thing feels really high quality. And let's see what's inside. When we first open our bag, we face with these two boxes. Inside there are Studio 45 lights. Let's take them out. And we have quick start guide, as you can see from the LITEBOX Studios. And we have reflective softbox inside this one. And here are our two tripods. And this is our second pair for reflective softbox. It is really nice. Everything is organized inside one bag, and it's really practical, and you can carry your lights wherever you want. Inside this box we have Studio 45 LED lighting system. So this is the AC/DC adapter, and this is our LED Studio 45 light. We have our power input in the back, on-off switch in here, and also we have intensity arrangement right over here by turning this one. Okay, this is the second box. As you can see, again, this dimmer knob over here, on-off button and power outlet. These two are independent from each other so that you can change the intensity of the light separately. This is our power converter. I really like their colorings with the green. It's really nice. And we have our extension cord too. Very long, very nice cable. And here's our adapter socket, and we will connect it here like that. Let's take out our tripods. As you can see with the tripod, there are two extension sections like this, and this is our tripod. Okay, at this step I'm going to arrange the connection of the LED lights into the tripod. So basically what I'm going to do is to loosen this section, fasten it up, and open this section. And then after we put that one in, as you can see from the side, we will just fasten this section. We finalize the connection of our LED section with the tripod. As you can see, there's really nice handle in here, so we can move it up and down, and we can bend its head after we loosen this section with our hand. So this is really useful. The soft boxes have their own bags too. When we first open it, these are the three parts that we see. This is a reflective soft box that we have. As you can see, inside there's this reflective cover. We have our diffuser right over here, and these are the soft box flex poles. First, I'm going to get my reflective box and put it on top, and I'm going to secure it with these velcros. There are two sides of these flexible poles. There's this black colored top and the silver colored bottom. So the silver colored bottom will go into the LED light itself. So let's see. After we insert this flex pole right over here, we are going to take the top of our flex pole and insert it from this section right over here. And over here, and then put the pole in. As you can see, we finalized the connection of the poles. Our softbox is almost complete. On each side of the diffuser there are velcros too, so we secure the velcros in there too by pressing like this. Okay, this is how it looks. I really like the harmony between green color and the black color together. Let's look how tall our tripod right now. So basically on the left, that is the shortest setup of the tripod, and on the right is the tallest setup of our tripod, and you can see that's as tall as my door, so basically around 2 meters. Right now you are seeing my 3D printed objects under the Studio 45 LED lighting system. Right now I'm going to close my light system. We will see these objects with just room light and observe the shadows and unwanted reflections on them. As you can see, this is the footage under my room light. When I use the LED 45 lighting system, everything becomes more professional, much better in terms of video purposes. Let me enable them back. The footage becomes more impressive for our viewers. On the left hand side, you can see the R2-D2 without any lighting equipment. There are reflections on the object and there are unwanted shadows, and the colors are a little bit yellowish. On the right hand side, you can see the R2-D2 with LITEBOX system. Thank you guys for watching. I tried my best to make you feel this product as much as possible. In 3 words, I love it. It is very practical and easy to set up. You can basically assemble and disassemble your system under 5 minutes. The used material in this product make you feel the high quality when you touch it. The skin of the softbox and the diffuser are really nice, and the velcros are very useful. I can tell that they will not wear for a long time. Having the LED system is very beneficial, and it makes everything easy to carry. Also, the bag comes with the product and everything fits inside, which is very awesome for to-go shots. Last but not least, I would like to thank the LITEBOX team for making this video possible. If you are interested in the product, all the links are in the description below. Go check them out, guys, and don't forget to follow them on the Instagram. Maybe you can catch a very nice discount. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.